有洗手，有带厝乖乖带厝学。我是 grandma 的历史走家，今日爱煮菜菜互人食。这个是爱煮菜菜的料：1粒的白菜黄芽白，1斤的豆腐，6粒的香菇，1条的面干，5滴煎的豆鸡，1包的糖粉，5滴红的豆乳，菜的胡椒，乌的豆油淡薄，葱草淡薄。咱杀的豆腐后先，鸡油出来，夹起来的豆腐，下迄个面筋落去，做互伊软后先，甲夹起来。乒乓波了哈，我很傻伊爱夹伊油不落去，无正济油。最使了夹伊下。豆基本下落去，烫伊下。我买迄个煎贵了的，真济油啊，爱杀伊下。我下有个好哦，you can hear the dog snoring. 我的狗伫 snoring 大。糖粉夹来浸头先，互伊软头先。鼎家下互伊烧，倒1头姜的油落去，了下蒜头落去，去辣互伊芳。杜米西咖喱了。下咧香菇落去，我浸迄个香菇，互伊15分钟，互伊软。当今下2头姜的豆乳落去，了下迄个。胡椒落去，压下，了下落菜落去，下一熬的水，还有你菜软，了下淡薄乌豆油，做淡薄卡乐。做淡薄色，下落豆腐包，不淡咧，迄味看愈舒服。所以无咪好食，了我下soy sauce。香草，了下面干落去。 了係豆雞，參加得落去。你豆雞你再加佢個底淡薄，加佢個絲。แล้ว當然會使係糖粉落去了，係啲糖粉唔通去夾啲糖粉浸糖粉嘅水倒落去。你會記係嗰啲汁，你suka嗰啲汁。是講你唔是食菜，我係講你特別suka一個知識。我係順買食菜嘅，本 enjoy 食一個，嗰時suka食豆腐卜加豆雞。今我洗菜炒好了，我當點愛食淡薄個先，有人愛食哦。真好食，好食。當今個人做好了，有人subscribe，有人 subscribe and like 我嘅 video。Thank you，感謝有人支持。袂記洗手啊，住厝啊，乖乖啊。Hello my friends and family, thank you for 300 subscribers. At first I didn't really understand what that meant when my granddaughter told me about it. But I'm so touched that people are actually watching my cooking videos. This is an orange cake that we baked to celebrate. Yay, I also grew a lot of bean sprouts. Let's just say there are 300 of them to represent all of you guys. Once again, thank you for your love and support. That's all. 我看你後禮拜。